Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Yeah, I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, yeah, just want to do a quick sharing with you guys. One of my vintage Rolex reference 6426. Yeah, this particular model is measuring about 34.5 millimeters. Yes, a little bit more larger than the common 669, yeah, 6694 or 6 blah 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 model that very common in 34 millimeters. Yeah, this one is stand at 34.5, or even some people I seen before that measure about 35. I'm not sure, but my measurement is around 34.5 millimeters. Very nice. Just to let you guys see, this is the original catalog. 6426, a fine Rolex hand wall movement. Yeah, very nice. Bit with a caliber 1210 Rolex in-house. The power reserve is also longer than those with like 6694. Yeah, this one is up to 58 power reserve, 58 hours power reserve. Very nice. And the case is also slimmer than 6694 because this one is without the scary no quick set date function. Fuck. If you guys know what I mean, yeah, there's the no quick set date function is terrible for me. Yeah, but this one is without the date. So all we need to do is just unlock the crown, wind the watch, as you can see, very nice. And right, sorry guys, set the time. Alright, and you are ready to go. That's it. No any terrible non-quick set date function. And make the dial very clean, minimalist, very nice, because there is no something blocking over here, so it look very clean. And you have the full hour marker in gold buttons. Very nice. As you can see, the dial is original. Of course, the minute chaptering is a little bit discoloration, it's fading, yeah, due to its age. Very nice, but it's still a very mint condition watch. Very nice. You can see, so the acrylic crystal is dome. Very nice. The Rolex crown, yeah, very nice. Side by side. The case back, yeah, very nice. This is the Rolex authentic original buckle. Yeah, very nice. Swiss. It's very suitable for those who like want to play some vintage Rolex or starting to step in Rolex. Yeah, very nice. Or those who are for collectors who want to grow in own collection. Yeah, you can play, because this is the 6 blah 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 model. Actually the price is very competitive, and all the piece we can see in the market is lesser and lesser. Yeah, because all this thing is vintage, so and as we know, no matter is old piece or new modern model, or vintage, Rolex is always Rolex. The price is going up every year by year. So yeah, no right or wrong. As long as you want a Rolex, just go get it. Very nice, very nice. I love Rolex always, as you see. Very reliable, robust. Even you can pass to your next generation. Very nice. fits my wrist is around 16.5 centimeters. Yeah, very nice. You can see, not really small or not really big. It's very comfortable in my wrist because it's not too thick without the date. And then the size very nice, decent size, very nice. Very nice. All right. Okay. So yeah, here it is. Nothing much. Just want to let you guys see one of my vintage Rolex. It's yeah, very nice. Oops, sorry. Very nice. 70 joules. Very smooth hand sweeping. The second hand sweeping is very nice.